Hello everyone and welcome to a Build Back Better video short. My name is Ray Molony and today we're talking about lighting and specifically an incredibly interesting lighting project that's been entered into the Build Back Better Awards. It's the Kinder Building, which is part of a $450 million extension to the Museum of Fine Arts in Houston, Texas. And this project has had a stellar cast. L'Observatoire, the independent lighting design practice in New York, were their lighting designers. Stephen Holl was the architect. And most excitingly of all, it uses an incredibly innovative optical system to deliver incredible uniformity on 5-metre walls that on which the artworks are hung. And I'm very pleased to be joined today by Jackie Teng from QuarkStar, who supplied the optics, and Wilson Dow of Dow Design, who was instrumental in getting this project over the line, so to speak. Jackie, first tell us what is special about the QuarkStar optical technology.
So it's based on our Edgex technology, and how it works is that instead of using the waveguide as the emission surface, instead we are using it as a mixing chamber. So we have created a shaped optic which sits over the LEDs, captures almost every photon that we can extract from there. So it makes a very highly optically efficient system, collimates that light, and then injects it through the edge of the waveguide. Then the light is mixed through it until it emerges from the other edge, where we have placed another shaped optic, which we call the extractor. And here it creates the final shaping or sculpting of the light distribution. And in this way, we're able to place almost every photon exactly where it needs to be, and thus achieve distributions that were either highly difficult or even perhaps even impossible by traditional lighting technologies.
Now, Wilson, why was this key for the Kinder Building?
First of all, I'd like to give a big shout out to L'Observatoire, the lighting design firm. When we first presented to them, this was a concept prototype, and they immediately got it. They knew that this was something special. And the key thing about the Kinder Building is that, as you mentioned earlier, there is a 5-metre wall. It's a canvas wall where all the artwork is being hung. And the task was to actually provide really good uniformity to kind of make the walls pop out. So that the art could work really well in there, and they highlight the art itself. And it worked beautifully. Jackie, I don't know if you have something else to add to that.
Yeah, the Kinder Building is really special in that it's really a monument to the luminous. The architect Stephen Holl, L'Observatoire, and even the director of the museum have talked about light as a material, an architectural material. So from the innovative skylights on the top floor, the outside glass cladding, and even the light-based art installations in the tunnels beneath, everything was about how to use light as a material. And so we're very proud to have been selected and honored to be included in that vision.
Great. And if you want to know more, there's actually a longer piece about the Kinder Building on the Build Back Better Awards website. Click on the nominated tab and you'll see more about it there. Thank you, Wilson, and thank you, Jackie, for sharing your knowledge of this project. Very interesting.
Thanks, Ray.